Hey guys, today I'm going to do some trumpet music, okay? So please and enjoy and like and subscribe, okay? Please remember. Okay, ready, set, wait no, I'm going to do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Wait no, I'm going to do Old MacDonald. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Next, I'm going to make another video of this with Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Bye.